Welcome to e-learning platform of Kadi Sarva Vishwavidyalaya. I, Professor Harsh Tripathi, Assistant Professor of Accountancy and Commerce at Srimati MP Patel College of Commerce and Center for Professional Courses, Kadi. So today, let's discuss about scientific process of selection. There are total 10 steps for scientific process of selection. Begin with reception of application. In that, this is the first step in selection process. The receptionist provide the information about the company and current vacancy. It is also change the schedule for the interview and test. Now the second step, preliminary interview. The main purpose of preliminary interview is to select proper or suitable applicant candidate for next procedure, and if the recruitment officer feel that the employee or the applicant is not proper or not suitable and his or her qualification is not good, then he reject at preliminary stage. After that, application blank or application screening given to applicants. It includes the name of the candidate, address, telephone number, qualification, experience, hobby, and readiness. The application blank must not too long or too lengthy. According to Terry, application blank provide two type of data. One, personal information of candidate. Another, information useful for a company. Then after step number 4, employment test. The most of the company use the employment test to the scientific selection of a worker. Most probably in middle level of management, in top level of management, when we select or when organization require the employees of middle level or top level or upper bottom level, they use this step. It believes that the test give an accurate idea of intelligence ability of a candidate. Dr. Terry says that the tests are the best criteria of selection which reduce the cost and reduce other fatigue. The following tests, there are mainly four type of tests. First, intelligence test, trade test, aptitude test, and interest test. Next, and very major height of this process is personal interview. The interview is the very popular test in selection process, and many companies interview only tool to use for selecting new employees. For the interview, the interviewer, it means the employer, must to making a list of question, and he must be asked the question in a very simple language and in an understandable manner to candidate. There are so many types of interview like plan interview, non-directive interview, depth interview, stress interview, group interview, personal interview. These are the some basic interviews. Now, the next step is checking the past references. It is also known as an investigation of past career. Normally, the applicants are also to give a sentence of the respected or references, which is very useful of the source of information regarding the character and requirement of a candidate. Check the references company may use the telephone or may use the personal document and personal visit also. Number 7, after that, physical examination. In that, the physical examination, the basic purpose of physical examination is to determine the candidate physical and mental ability, fitness. This is the beneficial to employee as well as employer. Next step, primary selection or preliminary selection. If the candidate is found suitable by the checking past references and physical examination and other documentation and interview process, on the basis about the step, he appoint a probable appointment to the employee to the job for the some time. New employee or trainee, he used to job as a trainee for some time of period. Then after final selection, if the candidate come and successfully in a probation period, then he and her finally selected for the post, and the final authority of selection give the final authority of the selection given by the manager. Then after last step, the placement of employees. The last step in selection process is placement. This means a right person should be given a right job. He or she introduce with their job, department, policy, objective, co-workers and motive of organization. So, the selection process, scientific selection process, start with reception of application, then after preliminary interview, then after application screening, employment test, personal interview, past references check, physical examination, preliminary selection, final selection, and the last step, placement of employees. So, we conclude this lecture by learning scientific process of selection. Thank you very much, student. Keep learning, keep motivate yourself.